any occasion.
To make all these cards, you need scissors, paper,
glue, colored paper, and coloring materials of your choosing.
The first card we will be showing you how to make is a pop-out card using regular paper, scissors, any colors, and colored paper, which is optional. The first step is to fold the paper in half neatly. Then you cut the paper at the part where it's creased. Then you push the paper in between the cut up parts to the front. Then crease the paper along with the cut parts. Then you glue another colored paper to the back of the original paper. And that's it.
For the next card, we will have to use colored paper, plain paper, scissors, and glue. First, have a plain card ready. Get paper. Cut it into any shape you want. I'll cut into hearts. Fold them in half. Glue them to the card and each other. Write a dumb message. It's finished.
So lastly, I will be showing you how to make a pull tab card. So to make this card, you will need paper and a coloring or writing materials of your choosing. So first, you're going to need a piece of paper like this, and you're going to fold the paper over itself and fold each of the corners in along the crease that you made. Then you're going to take the flap on the outside and fold them to the center along the crease. Then you need to take the triangles on the ends and fold them into the paper. Then you flip the paper over and fold both ends in, bottom first and then the top on the top. After this, you'll need to push the top into the slots on the bottom flap, and then you'll be done. After this, you can decorate the card however you'd like.
So that's all. Thanks for watching.